Yo, what's up? It's Sidebrain. I got a new rack called Magic Glitch. It's super awesome using the new Pitch Loop 89 that we can get from Ableton Suite. It can add a lot of really cool glitches that usually I only hear in like fancy guitar pedals. Let's check it out. Okay, I have an empty project here. I'm gonna load a piano. Later I'll check out some other sounds like guitar. It's beautiful on everything. So I'm gonna choose a piano just so it's distinct. And I have the Arturia Mini Lab here just to play some notes. Okay, let's go and load this rack. Let's search for it, Magic Glitch. And I'm gonna load it on a return track. You can also use it inside a rack, but I'm gonna load it on return track A. Let's delete this reverb here. We only need this rack. Okay, let's clean it up. I'm just gonna use the tracks that I need. So we have the piano right here. And we have the Magic Glitch rack on the return track. I'm just gonna send the piano to the Magic Glitch. Let's go and focus on that. There's a few extra stuff you can do here, but let's listen now. Love it. Of course, you can control the volume of the glitches with the send. And in the Magic Glitch rack, oh, it's coming back. You can also add some space to it, which will add reverb on the sound. And even some crashing and some modulation like chorus and phaser and stuff for the glitches in the sound. Nice. Now, if we open it up, we can see that we have the pitch loop. That's the main effect. This kind of like buffer, delay, granular sampler. And it's mapped to an LFO, a few parameters, mapped to an LFO, kind of to randomize the operation of it and the position of the buffer. So you can open it up and check it out. There's a few other processes in here just to make the glitches a bit more interesting. And yeah, check it out. Amazing rack. I love it. Let's finish up the video by checking it out on guitar.